Ke Sarkar jela kala aipor biang sakhat san Sngi ya ke Harijan Panchayat Komiti bakan Iakren ya ki khandiat ki jinit ki jinat hapdeng jongki shwa bakan yat no awut shakmat. Ya kan ila ong utsembut menteri ramba ke jela ubak Sniawbhalang dahar habakren chekila patai kubor menta ke shipho tarik nailar haja apusau hadin pelawai ke jingalang bat ke Harijan Panchayat Komiti Hashilong. Ubak Sniawbhalang ula ong bagi Harijan kila pediang ya karai ke Sarkar Henry Kidon ijing don kam jongki bakin penbet paramaki bat halor kani ke Sarkar kala aipor khat san Sngi bakin pendap lakban kedo baka Sarkar jela kala pen krek ban pen kendria no ya kilai spa sau puar teliki yang ngatham yo maulong shabishap cotton road.
And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations as GPC. And we from the government side, we are agree to give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that. And within 15 days, they will give a final decision, they will communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very, very positive thing, I will inform you. Yes, decision may last 2 days, it should be the last 2 days, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government, kindly give us at least 15 days from 2 days itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very, very hopeful it should be a positive decision. So because everything blueprint is there. They need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days you will be getting a final decision. They are very much happy, very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint.
So what?
No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they told, please give us, we need some few higher organization, the Punjabi thing only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today. No more, they may communicate it only. As there is a meeting, no problem, we can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days will be finalized everything. Like this, the decision, the discussion between the government and the Harijan committee, there will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan committee and the government itself.
See, we had long discussions on the relocation issue of Punjabi Lane. We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days, then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized.
What are the main issues that you still have to discuss?
See, that I can't disclose right now, but yes, there are certain issues which we need to discuss.
All right, thank you.